This is a ROCOCO knife. It's uniquely shaped, as you can see. It can be utilized in the kitchen, outdoors, for adventure, anything. You can utilize it for cutting veggies. Meat is really, really sharp. And it has these protectors over here, so you make sure that you don't get hurt. And also, the most important thing is the handle. This is actually very ergonomic, designed to be comfortable and sturdy, which makes a huge difference when you are utilizing a knife like this. It comes with a sleeve made of leather for you to protect the knife and to take it with you if you decide to go outdoors and bring this knife with you, and that way it's safe to be kept over there and protected and secure. So this is how I tested out. I tested out with some veggies in this case. The experience was fantastic, honestly. You have so much control with this knife that it's very nice to be cutting either veggies or meat. The sensation is very ergonomical. The design makes a huge difference, and this is a blade that is very sharp but also very sturdy, which makes the experience of cooking very nice, enjoyable, and it feels safe because you feel like you have the control of this tool.